Ouch, ouch, and more ouch. Cryptocurrency markets continue to suffer, capitulate to lower levels, and the question of is the 200-week moving average for Bitcoin going to happen becoming more and more inevitable feeling. And this is it. 23.6k Bitcoin. I literally just refreshed this a few moments ago and it was 26k. We're down to 23k, guys, on the Bitcoin side of things. Ethereum is at $1,200. I am sure many whales and the smart money is buying crypto at these lower levels. So let's take a little look at what's going on in the markets. I'm just going to move my camera because it doesn't look good like that. And there we go. So what is going on with the markets today, guys? Well, Bitcoin is really sailing to Philadelphia. As we can see, it's dropped all the way to 23.6k. There's not much going on right now for the markets. We're down 25% on the market cap weekly. And a lot of people think it's something to do with the STETH depegging from Ethereum. Therefore, there's a huge crash on Ethereum right now. Seeing those $1,200 levels, we hit that price target just like we said we were going to in a recent video of mine. So what is now happening with Cardano, another blue chip project? It's very sad to see a project of this strength and utility actually correct down to these particular levels. So thus far we are down to a 87% correction from market cycle top to the bottom that we put in. Well, it's been a downtrend really since all the way up here, since all the way 30th of August. And I think the RSI does tell you a strong picture that we had a bearish divergence for a good few months really on this particular weekly time frame that we got right here. So what we're seeing on Cardano at the moment is another low put in. The second red consecutive weekly candle has been etched into our charts today. We can see really interesting trading setup. We had a symmetrical triangle, we lost the support, then we had another symmetrical triangle and we lost the support again. So it's almost like now a giant slanted double top position, which we would have also lost the support for if we did look at that as a double top as well. But you know, really, I don't think it's a double top position. I don't think we're going to see too much bearish continuation here for Cardano. So what am I looking out for? Well, we had the capitulation wick here from the 12th of May 2022. Let's not forget we've also got the protocol upgrade, the Vassal hard fork, which is soon on the way. But again, lots of red daily candles right here. We have lost a significant amount of support, but we are bouncing around this support level here at $0.43, just where we need to. Should we see continuation to the downside, I do see the next level of support as the previous swing low that we had here written in on the 0.38 level, and that was from the 12th of May. And again, if we came lower, back down to this sort of 0.38 to 0.28 zone, I really do see this as another accumulation range. The next accumulation range for me is going to be all the way down here, a major buy zone back down here over at like between 0.12 and $0.18. Now I think that's very unlikely that we're going to come down that low, but for me, at least seeing the between 0.28 and the 0.39, I think that is realistically where we could be headed here for Cardano. Though on the bullish side, we're still waiting for this bounce in the market. We ain't got this bounce yet. It's kind of annoying. 20-day moving average. We're slightly underextended on the daily time frame. We can see it on the Bollinger Bands. We're at the bottom of the ribbon now, which usually does reflect a good time to be buying crypto every time you're at the bottom of the Bollinger Bands, as you see. So I'm really waiting for a bit of a reversal here. Are we going to get a bounce from this 0.43 level? That's what we have to ask ourselves. On the 4-hour time frame, we're looking oversold. Last time we were oversold, we were basically over here on the swing low. As you see, we had oversold position here on the 12th of May, and both resulted in movement to the upside on the RSI. So are we going to get a third time round? Is this effectively another good area to potentially dollar cost average in on Cardano? If you do want to buy some Cardano today, you can grab some using the link in my description, take you to the best exchange to hold in a soft wallet, and you get some really competitive exchange fees as well. So I'm really looking forward to see what Cardano can do. Really bullish times ahead. I think, you know, in the future we're still going to see a good $5 to $10 Cardano. Is definitely a good project, and I suppose with crypto it's all about, you know, investing for the long term. If you can put $5,000 into crypto today, your vision is to at least make that like a good 500 to 1,000% X percentage increase over, like, you know, the next cycle or something like that. It's not about getting rich tomorrow or next week, anything like that. We want to plant the seed of wealth in the back garden, so to speak, in the back pocket, in the crypto wallet ledger, wherever you want to plant that seed and let that grow over the years to come. So yes, interesting things for Cardano at the moment. We have not yet got the swing that we're looking for. As you can see, big descending wedge basically on this time frame, which could also suggest one, continuation to the downside to the bottom of this wedge at 0.15. Two, we get that reversal to the top of the descending wedge. It's really, really hard to say what might happen first, 0.67 or 0.17. Really, this is the bulls, this is the bears. Who is going to win this time? We don't know, but it's just a quick update with Cardano, guys, that it's not looking good. It is extremely bearish at the moment. If we do get any bounce in the market, even coming up to $1 right now, it just does not feel pragmatic. But things move up as quickly as they move down. So let's just watch this space, see what happens with Cardano. Looking out for these particular levels. If we can bounce off here, we're going to retest this resistance up here, which is now back at $0.52 for Cardano. So yes, interesting stuff. $0.45. We're still ranked 7. Still got a really big market cap of $15.2 billion. But yeah, looking retrospectively, doesn't look great. And for people that bought in at $3, you may have a long time waiting. It does look very similar to what we're seeing over here now, where in 2018 we had a winter for a good 2 years where the prices just trade sideways. We might effectively see that happen again for another 2 years before we do get to those bigger prices, because the truth is, I do think the bull market is over. And we know this. Of course it's over. We're just trying to find the bottom. We're still in the denial phase of the psychology, market psychology. As you can see, this amount of red is not normal. Hex is down 40%, Ethereum down 36.5%. Yeah, this is absolutely crazy, guys. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. Head on down to the description below, click on through to the Discord and Telegram channels, and I will see you soon. Bye for now.